In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to add funds to your PSN wallet using credit or debit card. Loading your PlayStation Network wallet through a credit or debit card is a convenient way to make purchases on your PlayStation console. So follow these steps. 1. Turn on your PlayStation console and sign into your PSN account. Navigate to Settings from the main menu. Go to Users and Accounts, Account, Payment and Subscriptions, and Payment Methods. Select Add a credit or debit card from the options provided, and you will be prompted to enter your PSN account password for verification. Input the details of your credit or debit card, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Just note that the credit or debit card are only accepted if the registered address matches the region of your PSN account. You can link up to 3 credit or debit cards to your PlayStation wallet. Address verification system compatibility is crucial. Verify it with your bank if your card supports AVS. Ensure that the address format matches exactly how it appears on your bank statement. And your credit or debit card is now linked after you press confirm and you bypass the verification steps. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.